Good morning guys from Bangkok in the McDonald's. There is literally no one, and from here we will get a pickup to go food. Okay, breakfast time. Fleur's hungry. And it's still really cool outside, love it. We are in the bus, so let's go. So we have a break here, and look what we found here. Stroop waffle. This is Dutch. So we had to buy it. One normal one, the original one.
Caramel.
With caramel. And this is with chocolate. I've never ate one of these actually. I've got a strawberry smoothie and Fleur the orange. It's really good. So we arrived at the boat dock. It was like 3 hours of driving. It is 1 p.m. right now. And we just ordered some food. We got some pad thai chicken. And we both got an Oreo milkshake. Let's go to the boat. Sarika. Okay, let's go on the boat. Yeah, we don't have to go via the sea.
Like always.
Like always. This is a real pier. Sarika. We arrived on Koku. First impression, it is really chill here. I mean, take a look. Wow. So we arrived in our new hotel and take a look at this. It is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's enter it. Oh wow, it's big. It's really big. Yeah, bigger than I thought. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh wow, also very big. Wow, looks nice. The shower. It is so beautiful here. I have to get the drone up. And almost the sunset. Wow.
That girl is a runner. She was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us.
I was cleaning it and I said, I'm a real Filipino now. But we're in Thailand, of course. So I'm a real Thai right now. A big plane here. Looks really cool. Right, we're gonna grab some dinner and walk around here. Ice cream shop? Ooh, that sounds good. But it looks abandoned. Too bad. It is really abandoned here. Like, this is the main street, I think. Some restaurants, and somewhere there is a supermarket. We already found a huge spider and a smaller one. Whoa.
They are harmless, right?
Yeah, I hope so. Hoi. Alien mode. Black bananas. This is the local store. This is the supermarket. The new 7-Eleven Fleur. And we had to take off our shoes as well. Okay, let's find some drinks and maybe snack for tonight or something. Ah, for the mosquitoes. We have a cow soy. And as dessert we got some coconut ice cream with pineapple. Food was really good. They only had cow soy. We had no other option, but it was really good. And the ice cream, oh, the ice cream was perfect.
So
and now we're back to the hotel.
If you want a really good khao soi, you have to go to that place. The baby.
Baby gecko. Ah, he's so cute.
He's really so cute.
Are there other animals? Let's check the perimeter. Do we have leaks? I see no danger. Watch my 6.